Welcome to Winfield Farms. This is Daniel again, and wanted to give you a June update. As you can see, the damage that occurred on March 31st, 2023. We had trees fell on the house, and some on the garage and the outbuildings out back. Lots of hardwood, red oaks and hickories and maples and ash and American beech. We had insurance come out and look at the house. Loggers coming in to take a look at the timber. And so they started doing demo in the house to see what other damages were done. We're about to engage in repairs on roof replacement. And loggers continue to go outside and clean up the property of all the down trees. In addition, we'll be taking out anything 20 inches or more across the property as well. So all the trees out front of the house will come down to provide more safety around the property, around the buildings. We'll open up the spaces and finally get some grass growing versus moss. As you can see, the cleanup's coming along pretty well, at least around the house area. They're using it for staging logs, so it has a tendency to get log filled and then cleaned up and log filled and cleaned up. But things are coming along, and we'll continue to work as we can to make the property back to where it was. But got to take time to relax. Remember that with God, family, friends, and bourbon, we can do anything.